Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices settings. In them, just scroll down a bit to access Bluetooth and devices. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Printing. Finally, tap on the Footprint service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on the switcher above. Go back and tap on Add Service. Then install the best one for you, in my case HP1. Last but not least, click on Install. And when your app is ready, just go back. So now when I click on it, as you can see, it's working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!